Hello everyone, welcome back to the surgical canvas. Today we will be discussing how to make a transposition flap by taking an example of a wound over the lateral malleolus of the left foot where bones and tendons are exposed. The wound cannot be covered by a simple graft, so we will be doing a transposition flap. First of all, we will check where is the loose skin available. In this case, the skin is anterior to the lateral malleolus. First, we will circumscribe the lesion and draw an isosceles triangle with base AB. So, we will draw an isosceles triangle with base AB. Here will be A and B, and this AB will be of length X and C will be the apex. Now we will draw a line parallel to AB passing from point C, and we will mark point D such that it is 1.15 times X. For example, if the length of the X is 2 cm, the length of CD is 2.3 cm. Now this D point will serve as the pivot point. We will mark a line parallel to AC like this, and similarly we will extrapolate this AC line further. Now, taking point D as pivot, we will draw an arc intersecting both these parallel lines. So, an arc will be drawn which will intersect this both parallel lines, and we will mark this as point E and point F. So, the transposition flap will be marked passing from point D, reaching point E, and then F, and then C. Thereafter, now our flap is ready to be raised. We will discard this triangle and the tissue at the base of this triangle, and this transposition flap will be raised, and this flap raised will be rotated like this. Therefore, our final flap diagram will appear like this. A raw area will be created at the donor site, which will be covered using STSG. Thank you.